Hello and welcome to the Speak Shona podcast. As you can tell, I'm excited. I'm beyond excited. It's been a long time coming. I've been wanting to do this podcast for years. I think 6 to 10 years is kind of like our timeline, but it's finally happening. So I'm super excited and I hope you are super excited to be here too. You must be, because in this podcast, you will learn how to speak Shona and how to understand Shona and how to have conversations in chiShona. So I am super stoked. We're going to be having short lessons, 3 to 5 minutes, that will allow you to learn a concept and drill it into your head. There'll be lots and lots of repetition and lots of pauses so that you can repeat after me to make sure that it is cemented in your head. You don't have to watch the videos. It's a video podcast, but you can do all of this just through listening as well. So yeah, I'm super excited. So see you definitely in lesson 1. Tonana.